Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best pocket knives that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Buck Knives 840 Sprint Select. The Buck Knives 840 Sprint Select is a reliable and versatile folding pocket knife designed for everyday carry. Featuring an easy opening ball-bearing flipper and a liner lock mechanism, this knife ensures smooth and secure operation. The blade is made from 420 HC steel, known for its durability and corrosion resistance, making it suitable for a wide range of cutting tasks. The knife also comes with a removable clip, allowing for convenient and customizable carry options. With its compact size and robust construction, the Buck Knives 840 Sprint Select is a dependable companion for outdoor adventures, everyday tasks, and beyond. Moving on at number 4, we have CRKT Cova EDC Folding Pocket Knife. The CRKT Cova EDC Folding Pocket Knife is a reliable and practical everyday carry tool. Its plain edge blade is designed for versatility, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. The front lock mechanism ensures secure and easy operation, providing peace of mind during use. The handle is made from glass-reinforced nylon, offering durability and a comfortable grip. With its compact size and pocket clip, this knife is convenient to carry and access whenever needed. Whether it's for opening packages, cutting ropes, or handling everyday cutting needs, the CRKT Cova EDC Folding Pocket Knife is a dependable choice for those seeking a reliable and functional tool. At number 3, we have Opinel Stainless Steel Knife. The Opinel No. 8 Outdoor is a versatile stainless steel knife that serves as both a reliable cutting tool and a survival companion. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, the blade offers excellent sharpness and durability for various outdoor tasks. The knife features a secure locking ring mechanism that ensures safe operation and prevents accidental closing. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle even in challenging conditions. Additionally, the Opinel No. 8 Outdoor comes with a built-in survival whistle, perfect for emergency situations. Whether you're camping, hiking, or exploring the great outdoors, this knife is a must-have tool for both practical and survival needs. At number 2, we have Spyderco Para Military 2 Signature Knife. The Spyderco Para Military 2 Signature Maximet Knife is a high-performance tool designed for demanding tasks. With its 3.42 Maximet steel blade, this knife offers exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance. The plain edge enhances precision cutting and slicing. The durable dark gray G10 handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, even in challenging conditions. The knife features Spyderco's reliable compression lock mechanism, ensuring smooth and secure operation. Whether you're in the wilderness, on a job site, or engaged in everyday tasks, the Spyderco Para Military 2 Signature Maximet Knife is a trusted companion that delivers exceptional performance and durability. And finally at number 1, Smith & Wesson SWHRT9B Knife. The Smith & Wesson SWHRT9B 9 inches high carbon SS fixed blade knife and the Extreme Ops SWA24S 7.1 inches SS folding knife are two reliable and versatile tools for various cutting needs. The SWHRT9B features a 4.7 inches dual-edge blade made from high-carbon stainless steel, offering exceptional sharpness and durability. Its fixed blade design ensures stability and strength during heavy-duty tasks. The SWA24S folding knife boasts a 7.1 inches stainless steel blade with a plain edge, providing precise and efficient cutting. With its compact size and folding mechanism, it offers convenient and safe storage. Both knives from Smith & Wesson are crafted with quality materials, making them dependable options for outdoor adventures, survival situations, and everyday tasks.